Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are thrilled to offer you this superb Triumph Rocket 3 GT. Registered the 20th of May 2020 on a 20 plate with 5,200 miles and presented in Silver Ice, Storm Grey and Corrosive Red. This particular bike was previously sold by our good selves and is now looking for a loving new owner. This head-turning muscle bike benefits from full service history, quick shifter, keyless ignition, hill hold, cruise control, LED lighting, and TFT display. With this being the desirable GT model, it means it also comes with heated grips, fly screen, and pillion backrest. The 2.5-litre engine is tremendous with its eye-watering 165 brake horsepower and 146 foot-pound of glorious torque. You can see why this won MCN's Best Cruiser Award. This magnificent muscle bike comes serviced where required. With a 12-month MOT and 3-month warranty, you can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months. For added reassurance, we offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Please note there's a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.